Yeah. Yeah? Is that it? You turn the light off. Oh, God.
I'm always looking for activities that can be entertaining and stimulating at the same time. And when our CEO mentioned the opportunity of collaborating with the Little Angels Theatre, I thought, wow, great.
Okay, who would like to be next?
It was really interesting to see how the people were open for the experience when it started.
That looked beautiful, magical.
Wow. And I think shadow puppetry was the right medium because it's magic.
The rabbit Foo-Foo walking through the forest, picking up the wiggly worms and bopping them on the head.
Bravo!
It did take courage, I think.
Yeah.
It's very intimate. Certainly together you're doing something new that you've never done before.
Here is the caterpillar. He gets wrapped into the leaves of the chrysalis. Up wakes the caterpillar and he's changed into a butterfly. I loved it. It was just lovely. Thank you for the privilege.
We had a lovely group of clients from HUK Islington. I think they connected with each other from day one.
It was rich in sharing. We asked for everything we asked, they gave more.
Those colours were amazing.
I got some flowers, so and I thought, oh, I'll put some of the cellophane in the garden as well.
And the feedback, we received positive feedback from everybody.
But I'm delighted I did it. I'm very proud that I did it. I've done it. I've got as far as that and I've never done that before. Something I got around to it, never had the time and the money, the fact that it was free was fantastic.
Well done, Nanny.
That was so good.
I liked it too.
You know, like we want to see the clients happy, the people happy, and I think we achieved that.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for coming.
Bye. Bye, everyone.